పరిశీలించాలని చెప్పి మీ ద్వారా గౌరవ ప్రభుత్వానికి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
జనాబ్ అక్బర్ సాబ్. Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to ask two specific questions, sir. Sir, first, I would like to ask from the Honorable Minister, Sahab, he has given the details of the amount that has been spent on rentals and the average expenditure also, sir, incurred for each boarder. Sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister is that what is the assistant or the financial aid or the contribution of Government of India for the construction of these schools, let it be SC corporation or BC corporation or minority. Is there any grant or assistance being provided? If so, what is the amount for SC corporation, BC corporation, ST corporation and minority corporation for the construction of these schools, sir? Sir, second question I would like to ask through you is that, sir. Sir, I would also like to know from Honorable Minister Sahab is that कि ये जो BC के स्कूल्स है सर, इसमें BC में BCE भी एक कैटेगरी है. तो BC में BCE कैटेगरी में मुस्लिम्स आते हैं. तो क्या ये BC स्कूल्स में आप BCE के मुस्लिम्स को भी दे रहे हैं क्या? ये एक सवाल. और तीसरा सवाल सर, आपके थ्रू मैं मिनिस्टर साहब से पूछना चाह रहा हूं सर, BC और SC और दूसरे जितने स्कूल्स हैं साहब, इसमें क्या आप कोई कोटा रखे हैं? बिकॉज एज फार एज माई नॉलेज गोज सर, इन दिस माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट रन्स minority residential schools, there is a specific percentage of quota for SC, STs and BCs. So I would like to know from you, is the same quota being provided for minorities in SC run schools, BC run schools and ST run schools? Because earlier I had raised this question in this house and it was promised that yes, the quota is not there in SC, ST and BC schools, but we'll make sure we'll provide that quota. So are you providing that quota or not? If so, if not, with this coming academic year or the fresh admissions, are you going to provide that or not, sir? Sir, thirdly, sir, my request and submission is that there are a lot of work properties are also there which have been encroached and all. Kindly see that if these work properties can be taken for construction of schools, it will be very good. I have earlier also demanded and requested. So once again, I request this. Lastly, sir, I am little bit deviating from the question, sir, but it's a very important issue. With your kind permission, I would like to raise this, is that, sir, as the schools are closed, private schools are closed, and the private school teachers are not getting their salaries, and they are really suffering, sir. We need to pass on some instructions, some GO needs to be issued for the private schools that they give not at least full salary, some amount of salary they should give, sir, because those teachers are suffering, sir, और बहुत परेशान है. उसके लिए मैं आपके थ्रू रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं. थैंक यू.
अध्यक्ष, कृतज्ञतలు.